Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today we are completing the Butterfly Dream series. This is the card we are making today. It is a beautiful card. So I'm so excited to complete this card. This is the card kit Butterfly Dreams. So the inks that we are using today, Vibrant Fuchsia and Garden Patina. Okay, I am also using some acetate to go behind my card. It does not come in the card kit. I just decided I feel that it needs something behind this panel because there's nothing behind it and it didn't come in the card kit. So that's what I am using. You can feel free to use whatever you wish. It says to ink the edges, so I'm going to ink the edges on this panel. This panel right here, the edge of this border, this sentiment, I'm going to color my butterflies and also the butterflies on this strip. This is a very easy card, so I'm going to speed up the video and you can see the process. So sit back and enjoy the music while I put this card together. Again, it's very easy. You can just follow along and see what I do. Okay, here's the finished card. It turned out so pretty. It's so sparkly. As you can see, I did include some acetate for the border that's see-through so that it's nice and sturdy. Here's the inside, a beautiful paper. So I hope you enjoyed this process. This completes the Butterfly Dreams series. I may do some more cards because there were some extra papers in the kit. If you're interested in this kit, I will link it in the description box below. If you would like to go back and watch the series and complete the cards, I will include some pictures at the end so you can get a closer look. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.